I know everybody wants to talk gold and silver. Look at the silver chart here, looks good. But at Hot Trades of the Day, we're going to look at the next hot market. There's a commodity market that's heating up big time. I'm talking like the uranium stocks in April, May, June. Nobody's talking about it, but we do it right here. You need to know about this. Let's go. This video is going to be a good one. Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks, and month. Yeah, okay, silver looks good, no doubt about it. You take a look here, you see it's constructive. We're regaining the uptrend, but nothing is happening until we take out the double top. The same with gold. Let me switch to gold real quick. If you look at the gold price, you see nothing is happening until we take out the downtrend. If we break the red downtrend, which would then also include a significant jump above the highs from November, that would give us a new high, yes. Then we're talking. Until then, nothing is really happening. So let's talk about a commodity that not many people are talking about, that is heating up big time. And this is a big time momentum commodity that really moves like uranium when the hype gets going. Lithium. You're like, lithium? I thought lithium fell off the face of the earth. Kind of. I mean, you look at the crash in 2022 to 2024, it was absolutely brutal. But if you look at the lithium price, here you can see, look at this horizontal zone right here. I hope you can see it. We're forming a bottom. You know this formation. I love this formation. 24, 25 bottoming formation. We're about to break out of a 1.5 year bottoming formation in lithium. And the lithium stocks are already reacting big time. As I said, let me get to the lithium stocks, and we're going to start with Albemarle because that is the big blue chip, if you don't count Rio Tinto, in the lithium sector. And let me scroll out so you see what's up. Look at the deep decline the stock has had from November 2022 all the way to Liberation Day in April. I mean, it went down about, what is that, like 85% approximately? Wow. Okay, this is a quality company. Now, again, what you need to know about the lithium stocks, especially when you get to the smaller lithium stocks, they are real momentum stocks. This is the same category as uranium, as rare earth. These things move. They really move. They catch fire. They are on fire. They're going absolutely supernova. Now, will they fall back down to earth, Icarus style? Yeah, a lot of them. Later, I mean, we can worry about that a lot later because right now we want to catch the uptrend. And as you can see, the uptrend has been going, but we're just starting to catch fire. And one of the core signals for that, besides the lithium price, is Albemarle, because that is the big blue chip. And as you can see here, I want to zoom out so you really understand what we're talking about here. This yellow resistance zone was crucial because that was also the resistance zone for the last big base that we saw in Albemarle. And then we had the massive lithium party 21, 22. I don't think we're going to get anything like that anytime soon. But if you look at the chart, I mean, this is a great chart. All the downtrends are broken. Look at what has happened here since October, in October and November. You look at the chart of this company, you're like, stock market crash, correction? What correction? We're partying here. We're having a good time. Champagne bottles for everybody. So this relative strength tells us something is really happening in the lithium sector. And if we take a look again at the lithium price, I know this is not the best chart, and that's very unfortunate, but it's good enough for what I want to show you. I already showed you we are basically finishing the bottoming formation. The majority of the people, though, they'll start recognizing lithium when we break this resistance right here, the highs from 2024. We break those, that's when the lithium party will really kick in, because people get start to recognize that there's something changing in the lithium market. So we still have a chance to get in before that. And I want to show you a couple of stocks, lithium stocks, that I really like. Albemarle as a blue chip is top of the list. This stock looks absolutely excellent. Now, do I want to buy it right now? I don't. I might miss this, but I don't. I would probably wait somewhere in the range of around. Well, definitely, I would say we'll got high probabilities that we're going to catch this under 120 one more time if we have a really bad day in the market, because it does have, as you can see here, these correction phases in it where it drops 3-4 days. But overall, look at the weekly. This is a really, really good, healthy chart. I mean, this is one of the best charts you can find in the market right now when it comes to momentum stocks, right? When we talk about value stocks like the oil stocks, for example, the refiners, different story, but lithium stocks, momentum stocks, those are the stocks that's supposed to get crushed now. Think about the SMR stocks like Oklo, not the lithium stocks. Something is new here. Something is changing. And if you want to know what it is, it comes out of China. There's supposed to be a lithium shortage happening there, and China is, as you know, the #1 market for EVs. I think that's one more reason why the lithium action hasn't, and the lithium stock action hasn't caught on in the US yet, because everybody looks at the US market and it's pretty saturated, and Tesla's transforming itself into a robot AI company. Something is happening here, and we want to be in it. We're not first, I fully admit that, because I'm not a lithium expert. That's not one of my core sectors that I look at. I'm personally not invested in lithium yet. I wouldn't mind buying some stocks though. Albemarle will be on the top of my list if I get it at a good price, because this chart looks great. Now, a couple of other ones that we also like, and the problem with the lithium stocks that you really have to pay attention to is a lot of them are small companies, and a lot of them have small market caps. So you have to be careful what you buy here. Sigma Lithium, I mean, this is getting closer to like $1 billion company. So this is a legit company. This looks good as well, right? If I draw in the resistance zone, it'll be something like this. As you can see, it's been going on in 2025. Pre-market, we are way above it. We're breaking out. And this is what I mean with lithium stocks are starting to catch fire here. This is coming. This is happening. Action is happening. So here we go. Standard Lithium. That's probably one of the best known stocks. Look how good this looks. Broken downtrend. We're just breaking out. This is a stock that I would buy on any intraday weakness, somewhere in like 365. Because if this catches fire, we have a monster gap here. This can go higher much faster. So I showed you 3 stocks in the lithium sector that are heating up. Standard Lithium, probably the one that I would buy near the market price. The other 2, I would wait if we can get them a little cheaper. If lithium is something that is of interest for you, put these stocks on your watch list and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss videos like this. We talk about lithium. Nobody's talking about lithium. I can guarantee you, we talk here again in a month. A lot more people will be talking about lithium, but then we have been in the stocks already. We have known about this for quite a while, and that's what we do here at Hot Trades of the Day. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. That's it for today. Talk to you later. Bye bye.